teachers. Today I'm going to show you how to link up a Zoom button on your Canvas homepage to your actual Zoom meeting. So right now what you're looking at is my Zoom dashboard. I'm going to click on this one course card that I created. So this is my homepage and I have a Zoom button right here. So what I need to do is I need to be in edit mode so that I can insert a link to this button. I scrolled up to get to the edit button. Click on that. So right now I'm going to click on this, and when you select an object on your editor, it turns blue. Okay, so you know that you've selected it when it turns blue. Now I'm ready to insert a link. However, I have not copied a link yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hop on over to Zoom. So this one is the one that I created earlier. Just for demonstration, I'm going to click on this. And you see how it has a link. All I need to do is to select it. And then on my keyboard, if you are on a PC, just hit Control-C, or if you are on a Mac, just hit Command-C. So Control-C to copy, go back to your home page. See, there is an icon on here that looks like a chain. Just click on that. You're going to press Control-V and then insert link. So let's say, for example, you decided that you need to change the Zoom link. Click on the button again, and you see the fourth icon from the left allows you to remove that link. Just click Save, and that's it.